Hello, welcome to our video on overcoming anxiety and depression through self-improvement. In this video, we'll be exploring the different strategies and techniques that can be used to improve mental health and well-being, and how to develop a more positive outlook on life. We'll be discussing how to identify negative thoughts and beliefs that can contribute to anxiety and depression, and how to replace them with positive thoughts and beliefs that can help to improve mental health. We'll also be covering the importance of self-care and self-compassion, and how to develop a daily routine that promotes mental well-being. Additionally, we'll be discussing the benefits of practicing mindfulness and meditation, and how they can help to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. The first step in overcoming anxiety and depression is to identify the negative thoughts and beliefs that contribute to them. These thoughts and beliefs can include things such as "I'm not good enough" or "nothing will ever work out for me." It's important to recognize that these thoughts are not accurate reflections of reality and that they are not under our control. They can come from past experiences, from our own self-criticism, or from societal expectations that we internalize. One effective method for identifying these negative thoughts is through journaling or writing down our thoughts, feelings, and emotions regularly. This practice can help us gain insight into our own thought patterns, recognize negative and unhelpful thoughts, and start to challenge them. Once these negative thoughts and beliefs have been identified, it is important to start replacing them with more positive and empowering thoughts and beliefs. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is an evidence-based therapy that can help with this process. It's a form of talk therapy that helps individuals identify and change negative thoughts and beliefs. The goal of CBT is to change the way an individual thinks about a particular situation, to help them view things in a more realistic light and change their perspective on events. CBT can help teach individuals how to challenge negative thoughts and beliefs, and replace them with more positive and helpful thoughts, which can lead to a reduction in anxiety and depression symptoms. Self-care and self-compassion are also important components of overcoming anxiety and depression. This means taking care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. This can include things like getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in regular physical activity. It also means being kind and understanding towards yourself, and not being too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned. Incorporating self-care activities into your daily routine can help to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost self-esteem. Examples of self-care activities include taking a warm bath, going for a walk, listening to music, or reading a book. It's essential to find activities that bring you pleasure and relaxation, and to make time for them every day. Self-compassion is also an essential aspect of self-care. It means treating ourselves with the same kindness, concern, and understanding that we would offer to a friend. Self-compassion involves being kind and understanding towards yourself, and not being too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned. It also means accepting and acknowledging our own limitations, and recognizing that everyone makes mistakes and experiences challenges. One way to develop self-compassion is through the practice of self-compassionate mindfulness. This involves paying attention to our own thoughts and feelings with a kind, curious, and non-judgmental attitude. Research has shown that self-compassionate mindfulness can help to improve mental health by reducing stress and anxiety, and increasing emotional well-being. Mindfulness and meditation are also powerful tools for overcoming anxiety and depression. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This can be a powerful tool for reducing stress and improving overall well-being. Research has shown that mindfulness practice can help to increase awareness of one's thoughts, feelings, and sensations, and reduce the tendency to react to them impulsively. It also helps to cultivate positive emotions and increase focus and attention. Meditation can help to increase focus, concentration, and self-awareness, which can help to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. There are different types of meditation you can try, such as guided meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and body scan. They all have different techniques and focus, but they all have the goal of reducing stress, anxiety, and depression, and increasing well-being. It's important to keep in mind that incorporating these practices into your daily routine takes time and consistency. It's okay if you're not able to practice them every day. What's important is that you make an effort to incorporate them into your life in a regular and meaningful way. Additionally, it's important to remember that the strategies mentioned here should be used in conjunction with professional help when necessary. For some people, self-help alone may not be enough to overcome anxiety and depression, and seeking professional support is important. Another aspect of self-improvement is setting goals, both long-term and short-term, to help guide and motivate the process. It's important to set realistic and achievable goals that align with our values, and to break them down into smaller steps, to track progress and measure progress over time. In conclusion, overcoming anxiety and depression through self-improvement is possible. It requires identifying negative thoughts and beliefs, and replacing them with positive thoughts and beliefs, with the help of methods like CBT and journaling. It also involves developing self-care and self-compassion, as well as a daily routine that promotes mental well-being. Additionally, incorporating mindfulness, meditation, self-compassionate mindfulness, gratitude practices and goal setting into your daily routine can help to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Remember, the key is to be patient and persistent. It takes time and effort to improve, but it is worth it. If you're feeling stuck, don't hesitate to seek professional help. It is important to remember that self-improvement is a continuous process, and that we all need support and guidance from time to time. Thank you for watching. Remember to take care of yourself and your mental health, and that you are not alone on this journey. Remember, there are many different strategies and techniques that can be used to improve mental health and well-being, and it's important to find what works best for you. Some of the strategies may be more effective than others, so don't be afraid to experiment and try different things. It's also important to remember that it's a journey, and that it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Remember to be kind to yourself, and don't give up. There is hope, and with hard work and determination, it is possible to overcome anxiety and depression through self-improvement.